Welcome to MG Global again. Now we are standing on a premium residential project which is situated on EM Bypass South. Already told you this project is situated on EM Bypass South, and the unique USP of this project, which is 80% open space is available in this project, and I am telling you 12 towers is already sold out, and there are ready to move and under construction, both facilities are available. I would like to show you our water treatment tank, and this is electrifying water, and here we can see this is your open car parking zone and this is your cover car parking zone, and you can watch our tower's elevation also. So you are watching, this is the driving space, a spacious driving space, and this is your multi-level car parking, and beside your multi-level car parking, this is your podium level, and you can utilize this podium level, and there is a hockey or football playground is also available there. And now I would like to say you there in this project there is 24/7 security providing facility. This is a small internal pocket garden between two towers, and you can check the elevation of this tower. Now I am clarifying you the total car parking facilities. So this is your multi-level car parking, you can check the ramp, and this is your cover car parking. In front of your cover car parking, this is your basement car parking facility, you can check here. Now you can watch, this is your podium level, and there is a swimming pool and different amenities are also available, and you can utilize the playground also in this location. I would like to introduce you our clubhouse, which is a 26,000 square feet, where you get all amenities. So after entering our clubhouse, I am standing on clubhouse, and you can check this is a swimming pool. Now washing process is going on. So I want to show you, this is our python shape stairs. Let's come to the mini theater and other places. So this is our grand or giant community hall or ceremonial hall. So the capacity of this space, which is more than 300. So this is our multi-purpose room and yoga room as well. Beside your multi-purpose room, this is your gents washroom, and beside your gents washroom, this is your women washroom or ladies washroom. So you are going to watch your mini theater room. So in this room you will watch every movie with your family and with your friends. This is your toddler room also. In this community hall there is a guest room. This is your guest room. So you can utilize this is as a hotel also, and this is a 5-star hotel like. So come with me, your indoor games hall. So children are playing chess, and this is your carom hall. In this residential project, there is a restaurant or bar is available. You can watch the beautiful view of this swimming pool and check the elevation of the towers. So this is our lift. This is our first phase, which is already sold out, and you can check the whole property from here, and this is your podium level, and beside this you can check our phase 2, and this tower is which is G plus 14, and our old tower which is G plus 12. Now you can watch the beautiful flora elevation of this project, and this is your swimming pool. So let's go down from this clubhouse, and this is your python shaped stairs also. So this is the second phase, and this is the ready to move condition, and already 90% units are sold out, and this is your third phase, and here is also 50% also sold out of this project. So there are two options are available, 2 BHK and 3 BHK. 2 BHK starting from 950 square feet, and 3 BHK which is 1250 to 1400 square feet. So the location of this project, which is only 6 minutes driving distance from Shohid Khudiram Metro or Dhalai Beach Metro, and there is a unique facility we will give you, which is 24/7 car service for these community holders. So in this project we have a large complex, means commercial complex or commercial unit, and in this you can get your health unit, medicine shops, and your smart bazaar also. So as per RERA, the handover date of this project, which is in this year and the month of June, and this the third tower, I am talking about the third tower, which is the as per RERA 2027 is the possession date. In this project I am telling you the starting price of 2 BHK, which is only 49 lakhs, and the starting price of 3 BHK, which is the only 59 lakhs, and you will get your premium amenities with affordable budget. Don't be late, come early, because in this project since last 4 years, every month our price and our per square feet price which will be increased. So I have done your virtually visit. If you are interested, so please come to see your dream house or dream flat and book this flat, and if you are interested, then please call us on the mentioned number.